It's been 3 years since I started posting on YouTube. In those 3 years, I've posted over 200 videos, I've gained over 20,000 subscribers, and I'm almost at 2 million views. Woo-hoo! In this video, I'm going to tell you what I learned posting consistently on YouTube.
Hi, I'm Wonderful Ida, an educational video producer based in Vancouver, Canada.
Your YouTube channel is going to help you drive more traffic to your offers and help you sell more. I've created a YouTube action plan to show you exactly how to set up your YouTube channel in less than an hour. Download my YouTube action plan now. There are two main types of videos that you're going to be creating on your YouTube channel. The first one will drive new subscribers. So these videos are usually search-based or ones that can get suggested to your audience, and they're going to give your viewer a quick win, which is going to ultimately get them to subscribe to your channel. The second type is more of a nurturing video. In these videos, you're really going to get to know your audience. These videos are going to make a tighter bond between you and your audience. They're more authentic. They're not really meant to go viral and to be seen by everybody, but the people that do watch it will feel as though they know you. What I found is that people that later on go on to purchase my products or services, these are people that are subscribed and are watching more of my nurture videos. Focus on creating that relationship in most of your videos, and then do a few videos that are searching for a new audience. Not every video idea is a good idea, and that is all right. YouTube really allows you to experiment, try new things. And unless you try new things, you're never going to evolve as a channel. So be creative, come up with new ideas, fresh ideas, like something like this. For this video, I decided to just come outside into this beautiful spot, mainly because I was already out here shooting videos for a client, and I thought, why not just stop, talk to the camera, and get some authentic video of me really expressing how I feel about YouTube. As a business owner, I feel that YouTube is a must, mainly because it has given me freedom from social media. Before, I felt like I was on Instagram all the time, posting nonstop, and I just felt like tied to it. Now that I'm on YouTube, I only have to post once a week. I get money from my views, and my views are promoting my products and services, which is a win-win. So I really feel that YouTube can actually, when it does take a lot of time up front just to get used to it, but in the long run, it can really help grow your business, and I think it will help anybody in any small business. If you're ready to take your business to the next level with YouTube, I suggest you start a channel before you have it all figured out. You don't need to know everything. The great thing about YouTube is that as you learn and grow with YouTube, you're gonna figure it all out. You just have to put the effort. As long as you can commit to one video a week, and yes, you've got to commit to at least one video a week, you can leverage YouTube to grow your business. Your YouTube channel is going to help you drive more traffic to your offers and help you sell more. Download my YouTube action plan now. And remember, messy action is always better than no action. Till next time, peace!